Phone collector the plug.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
What Juicy say?
Real,
Like,
real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
What's poppin'? What's poppin', gang? See you back in a couple another video. Y'all like my microphone?
Wait, where's your head?
Hey, we are going to be doing the whisper challenge, and as you guys know, the whisper challenge is when one person has headphones in and the music is up and the other person is mouthing or saying words and the other person with the headphones have to guess it. I have this little ass microphone so that y'all can hear what we're saying. I couldn't find my headphones, so we're going to use a little ass microphone today. Okay? I hope you guys can fucking hear me. So the first word or phrase is going to be, I need to get the fuck ASAP.
I can't hear you.
Okay, you ready, guys? Okay. All right, ready? I need to get the fuck ASAP.
Oh, I need to get the fuck ASAP.
Oh, suck a dick. Suck a dick. Oh, no, wait. No, I ain't doing it over. Because, no, wait. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I don't even think I'm saying it right.
I'm not gonna get that. I don't even know what the fuck you're saying.
All
Not
right.
even a word.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
I know you're saying stupid ass something.
All right. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Oh, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I'm like, to say, but she's choosing a song right now, so while she chooses a song, I'll think. Can you hear me? You can hear me?
Hey, yo, Ferg.
Oh. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna say is suck my dick. Suck my dick. Suck my dick.
Yeah. Like, there you go.
All right. The next one. I don't know what I want to say. Raw papers. Raw papers.
Rappers?
No. Raw papers.
Raw papers?
Yeah.
Hope that it don't cut them. All right, guys. My turn again.
How many rounds?
Just to see who gets the most right. So.
We're both 2-2.
So, guys, are you ready? The next word is Snapchat. Snapchat.
Snapchat. I heard you. The song wasn't like started. That's why I was like, I heard you.
All right. So, the next song. The next word is going to be Nashville. Ready? Nashville.
Nashville.
Damn it.
I should have loved Balenciaga, Louis and Vuitton.
Don't really know me, they just know the place I'm from.
I got lots of thotties trying to pull up to my place. Get up on my face. That shit had me lit for a second.
Alright.
Wow, I was all in my nose. Can you cut that? She threw Britney. You ready? You can hear me?
No, I read your lips.
Oh. She threw Britney.
Say it again.
She threw Britney.
So right now it's like, what, it's 2-4? Because you got both of yours, right? It's 2-4.
She threw Britney. Right now I'm saying she threw Britney. She threw Britney. She threw Britney.
Super pretty.
No. One more time. She threw Britney.
She threw Britney. Yo, 1, 2 and cups and I got that thing.
Could be purple, it could be pink.
How you mix that
Shit. Cause I'm on one. I'm about to be her on her channel. Y'all need a joke and subscribe to her channel. I don't know. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe to that hoe.
They might catch me slipping. So you did too? You did too?
Oh, did I? No.
I don't trust these niggers.
Are you ready? Milkshake.
Say it again. Trust the shoes. Oh, whoa.
Milkshake.
Mosley.
Milkshake.
What?
Milkshake.
Motor dick.
One more time. Milkshake.
Pussy.
No. I said milkshake.
Oh, wow. I'm way off. Wow.
So you got 3.
It's 3 to 4. 3 to 4. I got 3.
I'm finna win. You hear Capri yelling?
All right. So the next word is Bryson Tiller. Ready? It's all it's a secret. You don't need nobody else, and you putting this all on me. Forget it. It's a time and a place for all this. This is not the place for all this. Is there a reason why you saying all this? And can we talk about it later? I gotta right my wrongs. Alright, ready?
Put you where I belong.
I belong. Alright, ready? Bryson Tiller. Bryson Tiller. Is that
Bryson Tiller.
Yeah. I'm like, is that even how you say his name? Alright. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck chuck his wood?
How much wood can a woodchuck wood if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Yo.
You know.
Oh, hell nah,
Your
bro.
girl
What the fuck is this,
Your
man?
girl won.
Nah, bro.
Your girl won. So, Sierra
I lost, guys.
has to smoke a bogey. Sorry, nah.
Bitch, rematch, nigga.
You guys should comment.
Comment down
what
below
her punishment should be.
on what my punishment should be for freaking losing. I actually thought I was gonna win this because I thought I was a good mouth reader, but obviously I'm not. Cause how much wood can a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck chuck his wood?
And that's how I knew what you said. Because you said it mad fast. I'm like, what?
How much wood can a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck chuck his wood?
That's why I was like, oh, okay, I know what she said.
Yo.
That's why I was like,
Automatopoeia. Alright, bro. So, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. Comment down below or hit my DMs what other challenges y'all want to see me do. Or like, comment, and subscribe. You know, follow my social medias in the description. Make sure y'all get y'all tickets for my concert on November 8th. Well, it's my friend's concert. I'm just performing in it. Link in the description as well. You know, come kick it with the kid. Come kick it with the kid. You know the vibes. See? Out, bitch. Ah!